Good morning, everyone. So today we are going to start a new chapter. We are going to start a new chapter in geography. So whatever portion I am covering, जितना भी मैं आपको ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में करवा रहा हूँ, that will only come in your syllabus. Okay, वही एग्जाम में आएगा. So after क्योंकि कुछ चैप्टर्स काट दिए गए, कुछ क्वेश्चन काट दिए गए, तो जो अब मैं वीडियोस में करा रहा हूँ इस वीडियो से, वो तो आपको डेफिनेटली आपको कॉपी में उसके शॉर्ट नोट्स बनाने. ओके, नाउ वी आर कवरिंग चैप्टर फर्स्ट, साइज एंड लोकेशन. ज्योग्राफी का एक चैप्टर हमने ऑलरेडी कवर कर लिया है, पॉपुलेशन का. सेकंड है साइज एंड लोकेशन. नाउ इंडिया साइज एंड लोकेशन हम एक्चुअली देखेंगे इंडिया की कंट्री के, लाइक एज अ कंट्री के बारे में देखेंगे, कहाँ पर सिचुएटेड है, लाइक अबाउट ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर, नेबर क्या है हमारे, एक्सेट्रा. ठीक है. सो व्हेन यू लुक एट द इंडिया, सो इंडिया लाइज इन द नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर. नाउ द एंटायर वर्ल्ड जो ग्लोब होता है उसमें क्या, एक तरफ नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर है, दूसरी तरफ क्या है, सदर्न हेमिस्फीयर है ना. सो इंडिया लाइज इन द नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर एंड द मेनलैंड ऑफ इंडिया. मेनलैंड मतलब जो इंडिया का मैप है, समथिंग ऐसा है. सो दैट मैप एक्सटेंड्स फ्रॉम 8 डिग्री 4 इंच नॉर्थ एंड 37 डिग्री. तो ये लैटिट्यूड है इंडिया का और ये लॉन्गिट्यूड है. नाउ विद रिस्पेक्ट टू लॉन्गिट्यूड इट इज 68 डिग्री 7 इंच ईस्ट एंड 97 डिग्री 25 इंच ईस्ट. Okay, so this is the longitude of India. Okay, so this is the longitudinal extent of India. This is longitudinal extent. So you have to remember the numbers. So latitudinal extent and longitudinal extent. ठीक है. So how? So see, from North Pole to South Pole, this line is there. So this is longitude. But there are also lines like this. These are latitudes. Okay, so longitudes and latitudes. All right, so these are imaginary lines, like we are imagining these lines. These lines are not existing, but we are imagining them. Okay, now the Tropic of Cancer passes through 23 degree north. Now this Tropic of Cancer divides our country into two equal parts. So Tropic of Cancer will pass like this, like this way it will pass. So this divides our country into two different parts. Suppose it passes through Gujarat. Okay, so it passes through Gujarat, है ना. So as this process, it divides our country into two equal parts. So there are 6-7 states through which Tropic of Cancer passes. Okay, now so like West Bengal, it also passes through West Bengal. So this is about Tropic of Cancer. After Tropic of Cancer, you have the size of India. Now the size of India is 3.28 million square kilometer. So this much is the area of India. So this much is the portion which India covers, which is 3.28 million square kilometer, and this area is around 2.4% of world's total geographical area. So world में जितना भी area है, only 2.4% of that area पे क्या है, India. Now that is 3.28 million square kilometer. You have to remember this. You have to remember this as well. After covering the this one, now we will look at the coastline. Why coastline? Because oceans are there. क्योंकि at this side you have Bay of Bengal, and here you have Arabian Sea. So here seas are there, we call it as coastline. So the total coastline length is 71.6 kilometer. So 7516 kilometer is the total coastline length. Coastline length of India, which is 7516.6 kilometer. So this is the length of the coastline. So you can see this is the map of India. So from Gujarat it started, it starts, it ends at West Bengal. Okay, so you can see this is the coastline of India. This runs from, it also covers Andaman and Nicobar Island as well as the Lakshadweep Island, so which is around 7,560 kilometers. Okay, now after that, so you just remember that this is the eastern part. This is the east of India. So in the east we have Bay of Bengal and in the west we have Arabian Sea. Now when we look at the time, so the standard meridian of India, which is 82 degree 30 inch east, now this passes through Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh. So this is the standard meridian. So this is taken as a reference point when the time of India is calculated. So there is a uniform time in India. In India there is a uniform time, which means that there is one time, but if you are in Gujarat and one is in Arunachal Pradesh, there will be a difference of 2 hours. Okay, so the time difference between Gujarat and Arunachal Pradesh is around 2 hours. But this will create time difference. Okay, because of that, because in order to remove this problem, the standard meridian of India, which passes through Mirzapur, Uttar Pradesh, was selected. This is the reference point through which the entire country's time is, or the clocks are set. So if you are in Gujarat or you are in Arunachal Pradesh, the clock will show only same time. It won't show different time because of the standard meridian time. Now comes the neighboring country of India. Now you can see this is the India's map. So we have neighbors all around. In this section, in the northwestern section, we have Afghanistan and Pakistan. So Pakistan and Afghanistan are in the northwest of India. So they are our neighbors in the northwest section. But when you go to the eastern section, okay, here you have Nepal, Bhutan and China. So China, Nepal and Bhutan are in the northern parts. Okay, and when you will take the eastern part, eastern mein you have Bangladesh and Myanmar. So Myanmar and Bangladesh are in the eastern section. तो देखो ये ईस्ट हो गया, नॉर्थ ईस्ट हो गया, यहाँ पर बांग्लादेश एंड म्यांमार, यहाँ पे नॉर्थ में हमारे पास क्या आ गया, चाइना, नेपाल एंड भूटान, और यहाँ पे पाकिस्तान एंड अफगानिस्तान. देन इफ यू गो इन साउथ you have Sri Lanka. So Sri Lanka and Maldives are India's neighbor in south. Now Sri Lanka is separated from India. Okay, you can see Sri Lanka is there is a between ocean is there, sea is there. So Sri Lanka and India are separated by Palk Strait. Okay, Palk Strait and Gulf of Mannar separates India and Sri Lanka. So Palk Strait and Gulf, these are the passage through which ship can pass. So this is about the neighbors of India. So these are the few neighboring countries of India, like in the northwest, north, east and south. Okay, and then we looked at the coastline. So in this chapter only this much portion is coming, so you have to remember only this much, which is about the position of India, where does it lie, what is the latitudinal, longitudinal extent, then the Tropic of Cancer, the size of India, like 3.28 million square kilometer, and then the neighboring country of India, and then the time. So this much portion is coming. In the next chapter we will cover the in the next video we are going to look at the next chapter. Thank you.